This is Thomas practicing with his new tractor. He's at the house that we're renting now. His son just delivered the tractor on that trailer there. This is his maiden voyage, you could say. He's trying it out on some Scotch broom on the property that we're at. It's nice and level here and flat, so it's a really good spot to start figuring out how the big orange tool works. He's got an apparatus called a root rake on it right now, which digs in a couple inches down into the soil and rips out roots of plants. Very good for vegetation management. I'm sure he's going to get really good at it. What do you think?
I've never tried one of those kind of grapples before.
Oh, you want to check that out now too? Yeah, well, we have plenty of Scotch broom where we're going, so it's going to get a lot of use. I'm surprised how quiet the machine is.
Yeah.
It's pretty nice. It's really shiny. I should take a lot of photographs of it before it gets kind of dirty, right? His first crack.
Scratch.
Oh, first scratch, yeah.